the set down the middle. Kept alive by the gunner. On two, yes. Haba ng mga rally, ha?
Oo, alam mo, gotta say, early start dito sa ating first set, yung first ball at ang kanilang depensa has been impressive. And that with a little bit of help from the net.
Dami masyado. Olores will set down the middle. It's touched before going out. Magandang rallies, ha? Nabutasan. Mga hindi naman nag-uusap.
Ito, very clear communication with each other.
Although they messed it up, Adolfo with a bad pass. Hinabol. Abiliana is there. Set up jab. The cut shot by Diaz is good. Hinabol. Yonko. Here's the setup. Looks like a good set. Nice drop. Yes. Up from the bench. First serve floats in cleanly. Nice cut shot. Nagkagulo sa kabila. Olores will set. And push stop. And that's the fourth touch. Could have been better. Minsan nakakalimutan ituro ng tama yan, eh. Back to Yonko. It recoils in front. Osmilio. This is a slap this time by Mamangon. Back row. Magpantay. Covering well. Benito. Yes!
At yan yung sinasabi natin. Tsaka yung tama nga na nakikita mo na, uy, pwede pala.
Yes, indeed. Here's a drop by Abiliana. Olores with the set. Back row. Too hot to handle. Hindi matangana ni Adolfo. Rewind! Samantala, that's out of reach. Yonko targeted there. And that'll make it 19-18. Reverse. Why not? Ganda ng setting, ha? Block! Up!
But net. Sayang.
May down the line na yan. Yan, wala pa muna. Hataw-hataw po cross court yan. Yonko. Opportunity. Diaz. Rejected, however.
Madulit.
The meantime, the serve. Ooh, Messi. That was a deceptive serve. It looked like it was on the way out.
Nila talaga yung kanilang mga errors, ano? So it's adjustment to that. Samantala sa AFP, while nakita natin gano'n yung nangyari, depensa naman ang kailangan nilang ayusin.
Wow, good serve by Olores. Ang galing ng BFP pag cross court. To the back row for Diaz. Nakas pumalo nitong si number 18, si Adolfo. Eto sa likod, steady ang depensa. Tinaas, Osmilio reverses. Palitan ng things. Hanggang bukas tayo, hinabol pa ni Patino. Hello! Di pa tapos. Sige, tuloy nyo lang. Olores. She got it. Babayad got it. Jaques blocked. Osmilio. Back row connection.
And
reverses. Pandino. It's alive. Olores checks the horizon. Pandino strikes hard. Pandino's serve in play. Diaz. Tinaas. Olores mababa. Mabayad makes do. Down and out!
pa dati.
Nabutan mo yung bolang matigas?
White ball.
Nabutan mo?
Nung grade school ako, nabutan ko.
Okay. Hindi nasara ng pinto.
Other team, no, that's playing here in the UVL.
That looked good. It was on the way out. And call that when it's a violation. That's blocked. Playable. Magpantay. It's a free ball, but it's alive. No problem with that. Olores. Problematic set. In the meantime, this point in play. And Patino, Olores, Babayad. Now we can go to Ira. Ira? Well, I hate to say it, they're not yet out of the fire. In the meantime, in the air we go. Up we go with Diaz. Diaz gets it with a down-the-line strike. Heaved over that time by Adolfo. Down the middle with Mabayad.
And this is an advantage.
De Gia says, no way. Uh-oh. Hindi makakatake. Diaz steps away from the first ball. The whip. Olores tracks it down. Osmilio. And we arrive at set point. Olores. It's returned to sender. And that back row is Paulus. AFP by 1. Olores lifts it. Back row is alive. Adolfo's shot being handled well. And too hot to handle. Entertaining like Roger Torreyev, diba? Almost. Naguluhan siya kay Diaz eh. Hindi siya maka-elevate. Naku, tinaas. And that is one thing leading to another. Slip. Kung wala na siya sa pwesto. Olores, reverse set. Abellana. Drop by Adolfo, wondering why it's still alive. Ako, alanganin. Sabi ni Abellana, wala sa tempo. Olores. That stays down, and Maduli has been having a good. Number 3, that's Madalugdog on the floor for the first time. Playable! Playable! Yes! Olores. You gotta get back defensively. Diaz dropping a message. It bounces back. Nakon, dikit. Hindi na baon yung regalo. Nicely done by the back row. Magpantay is there. Huwag niyo sayangin yung hirap ko, sabi niya.
At mahaba-haba rin itong rally.
It's punched up. Still in play. Not anymore. Olores. Octoberon. Hand on it. Yonko. Oh! And we are over and done. Been serving a lot today. Spending a lot of time there aside from being setter. Hake got it. Here comes the major. Open. And out of reach. Care has to get out of that spot where she is right now. Mabalasa ng konti, but si Olores continues to serve. Attack. Hake. Diaz. Loose na maglaro ang AFP. Oh. Loose na eh. Ayan,
And this is them really enjoying the game.
The rhythm. In the meantime, an easy serve that scores no matter how simple it was. Easy ball. Two blockers. Abellana. Babayad. They make do. Olores. Bettino. Is hit. And ended up long.
At nanggaling din sila sa ganun, no? Previous set, that they're down.
Ayun, nararamdaman pa nilang Lahat ng gustong gawin ng AFP nagagawa nila. Nabablock sila pa. Oh! Nakuha, and it's now 18-9. Tinaas. Up, parang too casual. Uwi na tayo, linggo eh. And Mabayad has that in mind.
Yun, sabi niya, Mabayad.
Lavado saw action. Olores was served well, and we are done. And it's a 4-set win by the AFP, 25-21, 19-25, 25-10, and 25-13.